Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be mining with my friend. Come in. Come in. Good. Okay, we're gonna go mining. This is my first Animal Company video, so hope you enjoy.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So we need to get a crowbar. Yeah.
Good
And
idea.
then, can you buy the weird glow stick? Cause I'm kind of broke. I mean, not really, but. And then, wait, we both have bags already. Okay, let's go.
Alright.
We need to be quick because my headset's a little low. Okay. I'm gonna see how much money we can make within like 15 minutes.
Yes.
Hurry up. Ow! You smacked me.
Sorry.
That's okay. Okay, you go first because I do not want to deal with the spider today. Actually, no, I'll just go first. Wait, does the spider even come here? Wait, they changed it. That was not there. I think they changed it. No, I don't think they did actually. Yeah, no, they didn't. Okay, this way. Okay, so there's no gold so far. I see some. Oh, research. No, oh my. I've been literally going everywhere today. Okay, so gold. I'm gonna go get the gold.
Yeah.
Okay. No. Oh, I hear the spider. No gold. Wait, is it not 100% chance it's falling gold? One piece of gold. Yeah, at least it's better than nothing. No, not my heart guns. They stay there. Okay. No, okay, never mind. Where'd you go? Keep the light on, I can't see. Yeah, like this. Okay, turn the glow stick on.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, spider, wait, I'm gonna check, I'm gonna tell you when it comes.
Oh, I hear it.
I hear it. Yeah. Oh no, I dropped my crowbar. Yeah. It's somehow not here.
We do not like the spider.
It's not here, bro. It's not on the map. Bro, it's scamming us.
Oh, it's right there.
It's right there. It's right there. Okay, we should go jump. We should go.
Yeah, we should jump. Wait, we might die.
Come here, spider. Let's go. Come on. Get his attention. Hi.
Run out of its path.
Hi.
Like,
Hi.
we can like stun it.
Why is it not coming?
Hello, how can I help you?
Don't go in the web. That'll attract it too much.
Well, shall I throw something in the web?
What?
Shall I throw something in the web?
Yeah. Not the glow stick though, that's important. Because then we can't see anything. Wait, oh no. Oh, it's coming.
I think it's coming.
Go! Stop, Oliver, stay straight. Help. Yay, that was easy.
Yeah!
Oh, a grenade, I'm holding this because I have nothing else to hold. Oh, money. Okay. Let's quick. Is this the way? I'll even know. Oh,
So it's something.
crystal. This looks like it. Oh yeah, it's a... Bro. What the? Okay, this one genuinely... What the? I swear this is normally a bomb, isn't it? This is normally a bomb, just anyway. Oh wow, that really helped.
Oh,
okay, so we're in a
sorry.
dead end and the spider's probably respawned. So,
I know how to attract it.
how? Oh wow. I'm just gonna throw this at it.
Good idea.
So it's not here yet. It's not here. It's not close. It's not close.
Oh, I hear it.
I hear it, yeah. Once I see it, I'm just gonna...
Oh, he's there. I saw his butt.
Ah! I missed! Owie, it hurted me. Oh! Mwahaha! I have a gun now. This way. Is that rare to get a gun? I've never gotten one out. I think I just...
I've never gotten a shot.
Wait, what? Where'd you go? This way. Here, la la la. Oh wait, I think it's this way.
Go this way.
Oh, yeah. Dead end. Let's just go. It doesn't matter really. How it goes. This way. Gold! Yes, more gold. Oh my god.
And
What the? Thank you. Any gold drops? None.
Oh no.
How? What the? I haven't got any today.
A big up here.
Oh, we've made it. We've made it somewhere. Oh no, I fell. No, there's a monster down here, I'm pretty sure. Okay. There's lots of gold up there, I saw that.
Damn, this pit is pretty massive. You know what else is massive?
Imagine if Ninja got a whoa table fade. Okay, so this is let's go get some gold, shall we? From up.
Is there some out here?
Yeah, there was quite a lot. No. Bro. Up. This one's. Am I just not doing it right?
You have to look up.
It's not going.
You have to look up and then it works.
All the gold everywhere. Wow. Up. Okay. None. And none. Wow. Oh wow, that's a lot of gold. Oh. Oh, one nugget fell. I see a big nugget over here. Oh, another. I hear a spider. Nah, mow, I hear a spider. God, I heard a spider.
It's the holy chicken nugget.
That's deep fried chicken nugget. Wait, aren't they already? No, even though. Chicken nugget. Yeah. Oh, that didn't work. Where'd you go? Come, let's go this way. There's something coming towards us, but it's like a yellow dot. Where's the glow stick? Oh. Wait, shall we grab our... No. There is something there. There is something there. Turn it on. Turn on the light.
Oh yeah. Where's the gold nugget here?
Oh, so that was what it was. Yay, a green thing that we can go home with.
Should we break it, yeah?
I see a strong one. Wait. Oh, this is my strong one. Wow, I did not know it was that strong. Please say something good. Not a bomb. What's this? Wait. A camera. Wait, let's take a camera.
Smile.
Guys. Wait. Me and you in it. Oh my god, I need to turn my hand. Okay, I need to hold it.
You should take a picture.
Come. No.
A picture of my, yeah.
Come. No.
What?
sick
How's it look?
picture. Oh, spider! Come here, come up.
We should get out there. We already done.
You. Yay, yay, free. Okay, where's my face in this photo? Wait, you can take infinite photos with it. Can you? Well, I'm taking another. Oh no! Camera ran out. Oh, I see you, look. Okay, I'm just gonna put in bag. Wait. I'm weird about how I hold this. Okay, so. You are not being sold, you are precious. Should I sell the shotgun? Give me my bag. I dropped bag. I dropped bag! Oh. Where did my bag go? My bag literally disappeared. Yeah, take the hard guns out. Yeah. And shotgun out.
We may not have a lot of money, but at least we have dinner.
Yeah, Okay, so that is my new naughty. Oh, that was more than I expected.
We did not solve our problem. We are still in debt. That's a problem.
Well, that was a successful video. We went mining. Yay.
How long was it?
Okay, well, I have to go because my headset's low. Okay, bye, and bye-bye. Yeah.